Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business but held back due to lack of capital? It's a common quandary, isn't it? The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well, yet a significant hurdle many face is the daunting prospect of securing funds. The good news? Capital isn't always the king. There are indeed avenues to explore where your passion and skills are the only investment you need to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Well, you might just be surprised to learn how many businesses you can start with zero capital. If you have a skill or knowledge that others find valuable, consider offering your services as an online consultant. Now, what does this mean exactly? Well, online consulting is all about leveraging your expertise in a specific field to advise others. This might be anything from business strategy, marketing, health and wellness, or even life coaching. The beauty of online consulting lies in its simplicity. You don't need a physical office or even a team. All you need is your knowledge, a reliable internet connection, and a platform to connect with your clients. This is where professional networking sites like LinkedIn come into play. By creating an engaging profile and actively participating in relevant groups or discussions, you can showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Remember, the key here is to effectively market your skills and knowledge, showing potential clients that your insights can provide real value to their lives or businesses. So, if you have the knowledge and the knack for communication, online consulting might just be the zero capital business you've been looking for. In the digital age, content is king. And if you have a knack for creating engaging content, you're in the right place at the right time. There's a myriad of avenues for content creation, each with its own unique opportunities. From blogging, where you can share your thoughts and insights to a global audience, to vlogging, a visual journey that takes viewers along with you. Then there's podcasting, the perfect platform for those with a voice that can captivate and an ear for a good story. Monetizing this content comes in different forms too. Advertising is a classic route where you can earn revenue based on the number of views and clicks. Sponsorships, on the other hand, involve partnering with brands that align with your content and audience. And then there are partnerships, collaborations with other creators, which can lead to increased exposure and opportunities. With a bit of creativity and dedication, content creation can be a lucrative business with zero startup costs. The world of online retail is vast and varied, and with dropshipping, you can enter this world without any initial capital. Dropshipping is a retail model where you, as a store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer purchases a product from your online store, you forward the order to a third-party supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. Setting up an online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms provide you with all the tools you need to start, manage, and grow your business. Choosing products and suppliers is the next crucial step. You'll want to select products that are in demand, but not overly saturated in the market. Reliable suppliers are vital for maintaining product quality and ensuring timely deliveries to your customers. With strategic planning and customer-oriented service, online retailing can be your ticket to business ownership without any capital investment. So, as you can see, lack of capital shouldn't be a barrier to starting your own business. Let's revisit the businesses we've discussed today. First off, online consulting. If you've got a skill or expertise in a certain area, you can offer your services as a consultant. This is a great way to leverage your knowledge to generate income. The best part? You don't need any capital to get started, just your time and dedication. Then we talked about content creation. In the age of social media and digital marketing, content is king. From writing blogs to creating engaging videos or informative podcasts, there are countless ways to make money through content creation. Remember, all you need is a dash of creativity and a whole lot of passion. And finally, online retailing. With platforms like eBay and Etsy, you can sell anything from vintage clothes to handmade crafts without having to invest in a brick-and-mortar store. It's all about finding a niche market and selling products that people love. But these are just 3 of the many business ideas you can start without any capital. There are countless more out there waiting to be discovered. So I encourage you to explore, to research, and to find that business idea that sparks your passion. The world is full of opportunities, so take that first step towards starting your own business. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now.